Channel, dear students, how to write a cursive small letter A to Z. We are going to look here are 4 lines are there. 1 2 3 4. A, how is writing? Look A. I starting from third and going to second and come again third and go to second and again come third line. Okay, A wrote now look how is B writing. Starting from B, third line and go to first line, come again third line and I again last went to second line. Now look C how is writing. Starting from third line and go to second, again come third line. Now look D how is writing. Starting from third line and go to first line, come again same route way to third line. Now look at E how is writing. Third line only start, go to second, come again third line. Now look at F start from third line same way, go to first line and come to last line, go to between third and second. Now look now is G how is writing. Starting from third, go to second, come again third and go last line and stop the second and third line between. Now look H how is writing. Starting from third line, go to first and come again third line and go to second, last came again third line. Look here I also same way. Starting from third and go to second line only, that is enough. Okay, now look at J how is writing. Starting from third, go to second, come again last line and go to second and third line. Now look at K how is writing. Start from third line, go to first and come again same way to third line and go to second line, last third line. Okay, ready now. Now look L how is writing. L third line from started and go to first, come again last third line. M how is writing. Starting from third line, third and second. N is same way only, second, third and second only. Now look at O is also second and third line is enough and want to touch. If not touch means that is wrong only. Now look P how is writing. Started from third and come last line and go same way, same route way to the second line and come to down third. Now Q how is writing. Started from third line and when you go to second and again go to second, came last line. Now look at R, small letter R. R is starting from third line only, going to for second and came again third line. Now look at S how is writing. Starting from third line and went to go to second, again came third line. Now look at T is starting from third and go to first line, last came to third line only. U how is starting from third line, go to second and come again third line only. Now look V is starting from third line, went to second and came again third, go to second line. And W is look starting from third, go to second, come again third, go to second, come again third and go to second line. Okay, now look at X is starting from third line only. Third and second. Now look Y is same way only, starting from second and third and last line. Z is how is writing. Look starting from third, go to second and come third line, last come last line. Okay, detail stopped in second and third line between. Okay, if you liked this video, share, like and subscribe it. Okay, thank you.